Samsung has just delivered the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, and it's time to introduce all of the genius to the year's trendiest foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 boost of 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. It's interesting to see that the Galaxy Z Fold 5's single core number is significantly higher than the Galaxy S20 Ultras. According to IC Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 weighs 254 grams, which is a 9-gram decrease from the Z Fold 4's weight of 263 grams. He also says that the exterior display will stay at 6.2 inches, while the interior foldable display will be a 7.6-inch AMOLED screen with a frame rate of 120 Hz. However, we will see some new touchscreen technology that is very intriguing. Whether or not this technology will remove the wrinkle on the display is unknown. Samsung also handled this in a unique manner by adding an IPX8 grade to its new massive design. A few weeks back, it was reported that Samsung is contemplating using the same 108 camera sensor used on the S22 Ultra on the Z Fold 5. That is not going to happen, according to IC Universe, as the camera on the Z Fold 5 will stay largely unchanged. In reality, it will be the same as on the S23 Plus, with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel lens with 3 times optical magnification, and a 12-megapixel face camera with autofocus. Samsung chose not to use a larger image sensor, such as the 108-megapixel sensor, due to weight and area limitations. Meanwhile, the Korean site Naver and leaker IC Universe have claimed that Samsung is switching to a water-drop folding design for the Z Fold 5. This is the technology that competitors are now using, which twists the display into a bent teardrop form as it folds, having 2 effects. It enables the display to completely shut with no space when folded and decreases the size of the wrinkle when the screen is flat. Samsung has begun hinge testing on the new Galaxy Z Fold 5. They will be folding devices 5 days a week for a total of 200,000 folds, followed by another for 300,000 folds. The 200,000 folds will be used for fundamental wear and tear testing, while the 300,000 folds will be used to determine the top limit, but Samsung expects to maintain 85% of its power after the 200,000 folds. Finally, what do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 5? So, without further ado, please share your views in the comments section below, and if you are fresh here, please join. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.